Most people choose between Walmart Plus and Amazon Prime based on hype, not real value. And that's the biggest mistake you need to avoid in 2026. Because these two memberships look similar on the surface, but they are built for completely different shopping habits. Here's the truth no one tells you. One of them can easily save you hundreds a year, but only if you actually use the right features. The other can feel expensive if you are not using it daily. So in this video, you will clearly understand which one fits your lifestyle, what you actually get for your money, and which membership is truly worth it in 2026. Let's start with the basics so there is no confusion. Walmart Plus from Walmart is designed mainly for everyday grocery shoppers and in-store convenience. Amazon Prime from Amazon is built as an all-in-one digital and shopping ecosystem. That difference alone changes everything. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people compare only shipping speed. But that is just one piece of the puzzle. With Amazon Prime, you typically get fast delivery on millions of items, access to streaming through Prime Video, and extra perks like music and cloud storage depending on your region. So if someone like Jake orders online frequently, watches shows, and buys a wide range of products, Prime feels like an all-in-one subscription. But here's the problem. Not everyone uses all of that. Many users only order a few items a month, and in that case, they are paying for features they never touch. Now let's talk about Walmart Plus. Walmart Plus focuses heavily on real-world savings. You get free delivery from stores, fuel discounts at participating gas stations, and scan and go shopping inside Walmart stores in some locations. So imagine someone like John who mainly buys groceries, household essentials, and wants quick local delivery. For that lifestyle, Walmart Plus can feel more practical and direct. But here's where most people get stuck. They assume Walmart Plus is only for grocery delivery. That's not true anymore. In 2026, it has expanded delivery options and in-store tech tools that make it much more useful for regular shoppers. Now let's compare value in a simple way. If your life is digital heavy, streaming heavy, and you shop across many categories online, Amazon Prime usually wins. It gives you more variety and entertainment bundled into one subscription. But if your spending is mostly groceries, fuel, and everyday essentials, Walmart Plus often wins on pure savings. Especially if you live near a Walmart store and use delivery or pickup regularly. Now here's a key insight most people miss. The real decision is not which is better overall. It is which one matches your weekly routine. In a minute, here's the simplest way to decide instantly. If you order online multiple times a week, watch streaming content often, and want a digital lifestyle bundle, go with Amazon Prime. If you mainly shop for groceries, want fuel discounts, and prefer store-based convenience, go with Walmart Plus. Another quick check. If you already have one subscription but feel like you are not using at least half of its benefits, you are probably on the wrong one. So, here is the final takeaway. Amazon Prime is a lifestyle subscription for digital convenience and variety. Walmart Plus is a practical savings tool for everyday physical shopping. Both are valuable, but only when matched correctly to your habits. Before you choose, think about where your money actually goes every week. That answer will tell you everything. If this breakdown helped you understand the real difference between Walmart Plus and Amazon Prime in 2026, like, comment and subscribe for more simple, no-nonsense guides like this.